Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Mastermind. Usually how to create a table in MS Word. Go to the Insert tab, select table and select rows and column as you decide. But guys, we can create a table in just 3 seconds. How it possible? Let's see. We are going to create a table in just 3 seconds. Here it is. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it doesn't take even 3 seconds. Okay guys, watch carefully. If you want to create a table, then type plus minus 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 plus and hit enter. If you want more column, then continues the series. The important thing is you should have to start with plus and end with plus. And then if you want to add more rows, then click on the last column and press tab button to create new rows. And finally I am going to tell you, if you want to insert a table with 10 column, simply press 10 times plus symbol and add negative and plus symbol at the end and hit enter. You can create a table with 10 column.